Alrighty, y'all, now that I got my eggs here into my miniature pans, I'm just coming in with some diced red bell pepper. We're gonna throw in a little bit of red onion for flavor. And now I'm just adding in some minced garlic. This is gonna be such an easy crowd pleaser with your family. It's great for the kids. Everyone loves this simple, easy breakfast. I'm just gonna use a little bit of pepper right on these, just like that. Can't go wrong with a little bit of freshly cracked pepper. I like to do a little bit of salt. Can't have eggs without salt. I know some of you are probably watching your sodium, so you would just leave it off. And to me, you can't have breakfast without a little bit of meat. So I am just coming in right here with some bacon, which I'm chopping up. Ooh, well, that's okay, don't worry, I got plenty more where that came from. I'm just getting some pieces chopped into here. This is looking perfect, y'all. Listen, I'm just gonna put some of these bigger strips in. Some people like a lot of bacon, some people like a little bacon. It's really up to your preference. All right, I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of green bell pepper too. We're adding in our veggies to make this extra healthy this morning. Yum, yum, yum. All right, a little bit of Fiesta Blend because this is a morning celebration party. Caramba, Fiesta, forever. Beautiful. All right, I'm just coming in with a fork. I'm gonna break up my yolks because that's the way I like it, but of course you don't have to do it that way. If you prefer not and you like to leave your yolks whole, sometimes I do it that way. My husband loves a sunny side up egg, so it's really like whatever your preference are, but these little silicone pans are just so darling. I saw them at Walmart, just had to get them and thought they would be super easy, perfect for this Easter treat. Alrighty, I'm gonna put the lid on my pan here. We are just gonna let these cook for about 3 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, check these out. Oh my God, so cute. Alrighty, y'all, I got a plate here. I am just going to carefully with my tongs, wow, lift these out. Got the long reachers today. Perfect. Look at that. And 3, breakfast of champions. All right, who's hungry for breakfast? We're just gonna turn over our little pans here, miniature pans. So cute, oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, they're adorable. They came out so cute. And you can just, look, fill in this little bunny's ears. You can use ketchup or sriracha cha, as I like to say, or really whatever tickles your fancy. Cute, look at this. Oh my God, I feel like an artist right now. Outline the little bow. Wow, that's adorable. And y'all, these were like $1 at Walmart. Oh, I love it. So cute. That's adorable. And just maybe in the line of our egg, just like that. These little hearts. This is so cute, guys. All right. Ooh, and I can even still see a little bit of runny egg inside my bunny. Marty will like that one. Save that one for him. Oh, look at this, you guys. Look at that perfect, delicious, flavor-packed breakfast. All right, I'm gonna take a smaller bite just because. Get some of that sriracha. Happy Easter, y'all. You gotta try it.